kayo lumalagay sa posisyon na hindi kayo nag-overstep para doon sa tao na tinutulungan nyo?
Sa coaching, hindi kami nagbibigay ng advice.
May mga incidents ba or experiences ba kayo na gusto nilang tulungan pero parang may mga temper issues?
We coach the person, not the problem.
And maybe we should adapt that also.
Yes.
We should listen more.
Magmahal ng taos, tumulong ng lubos, kumapit sa Diyos, live life, let's go! Let's all be happy and healthy with Connie. Happy and healthy with Connie. Feel love, fly and laugh, live fully. Let's all be happy and healthy with Connie.
Sa dami ho ng mga problema na sabay-sabay hong parang dumarating sa buhay natin ngayon, di ba? Nandiyan yung gera sa Middle East at sa Europe. At syempre yung pagtaas po ng ating mga fuel prices. Sabayan pa natin, syempre, di ba? Yung mga trabahong nawawala dahil sa AI at maraming personal na bagay na pinagdadaanan natin sa buhay. Nako, sabi nga nila, nasa polycrisis na ba tayo? At ang tanong dyan, paano ho ba natin dapat binabalanse ang pagharap sa anumang mga problema natin sa buhay? Kaya ngayong umagang to ay kailangan ho natin makilala, syempre, yung mga professional coaches na gagabay din sa atin. Paano nga ba kapag talagang medyo mabigat na, di ba? Kailangan daw talagang may kinakausap tayo na professional pagdating sa pagharap sa buhay. Kaya this morning, kailangan ho nating makilala sila. Unahin na natin si Coach Tina Sioson, ang Executive Coach and President ng Philippines Chapter of the International Coaching Federation. At si Coach Makay Cuadra, ang life coach natin. At Marketing and Communications Director din po siya ng Philippines Chapter of the International Coaching Federation. Ayan, good morning sa inyo.
Thank
Good
you.
morning.
Good morning.
Ay, ito, kwentuhan lang naman ito para dun sa mga hindi pa masyadong familiar about professional coaching, di ba? Kasi iba pala yung executive coaching kay Ma'am Tina at saka yung life coaching kay Ma'am Makay. So, para sa kanila, ano ba itong life coaching and executive coaching? Ma'am Tina, kayo muna.
Oo. Ang coaching ay may iba't ibang linya or specialization.
Yes.
Parang doktor.
Yes.
No? And yung executive coach, ang niche, ang aming focus ay sa mga higher level, mga organization, CEOs, mga
Leaders.
ganyan. Leaders.
Ganyan.
But leadership coaching goes beyond the C-level. Parang bumababa pa tayo dun sa mga emerging leaders na magsasucceed sa mga C-level.
Ayan. Kasi parang kumbaga, pag ikaw nagli-lead halimbawa ng company or any organization, kailangan of stable ka di ba? Para ma-lead mo yung grupo mo, di ba? So, yan ang ginagawa ninyo.
Oo.
Tinuturuan ng, parang gabay din kayo.
Oo, yes, that's right.
Ito naman, ito sa buhay.
Oo, eto.
Life coach. Marami na tayong mga naririnig na, kailangan mo talaga na magkonsulta sa isang life coach. Ano ba yung difference ng life coaching sa isang, sabihin na natin, consultant, ba? Mga psychiatrist, psychologist, ano ba yun? Paano ba?
Okay. Nag-aaral din kami. A coach goes through an education. Nag-enroll kami sa mga accredited to be professional coaches. Okay. Sabi mo, life coaching, talaga bang kailangan pa ng paggabay? Yes. Kasi nga sa dami ng iniisip, kuminsan hindi ka makadesisyon. Kuminsan ang hirap kausapin ang isang tao, parang feeling mo, ang hirap niyang kausap. So paano ko ba siya makakausap? Paano ako makaka-relate sa kanya, sa relationships?
Yeah,
So, itong mga nagiging stuck tayo, nai-stuck yung mga tayo sa ating mga kasalukuyan na kinalalagyan.
Oo.
So, gusto nating maka-move on.
Yes,
So, doon pumapasok ang professional coaching. Kinakausap namin, pinakikinggan namin. we provide the space and the time to listen to people who are stuck, who cannot decide,
Oo eh.
who are unclear about their
Oo.
decisions and their next steps. Lalo na yung mga merong transitions.
Yan.
Yung dumadaan sa mga katulad nyo, halimbawa na-promote sa
Mm-mm.
trabaho. So pag na-promote, ibig sabihin may bago ka na namang role.
Yeah.
So yung iba may fear, may doubt sa
Ayan.
sarili, kaya ba and all. So we try to help. We try to help by talking to these people
Mm-mm.
kung paano nila ina-navigate yung bagong role.
Okay.
Okay? Gusto mo mag-migrate.
Mm-mm.
Pero parang something's holding you back.
Mahirap
Ano
yun
Mm-mm.
Kasi pagka
Yes.
sinasabi natin, di ba, na transition ng buhay,
Yes.
kailangan may clarity always.
That's it.
di ba?
Ganda.
So, ito na. Paano kayo napunta dyan? Kasi syempre, I can imagine, I've known si Makay for many,
Oo.
many years.
Oo.
No? Bilang siyang executive producer ko before for Pinoy MD. I mean,
Ayan.
matagal
News,
na
yeah.
sa news. And I've always known you, Makay, na sobra ka talagang chill. Eh,
Parang
hindi
na-observe
yan
ko yun.
nangangarag sa lahat ng mga bagay. So, kailangan ba may trait din muna ang isang life coach na hindi ka nagpapanik? Ma'am, kayo,
Oo. Mm-mm.
syempre, yung mga tinitrain nyo, kino-coach nyo, mga bossing. Di ba? Yung mga pride ba gets in the way of some, yung sa coaching style ninyo? Paano ba yun?
I'll answer you into, sagutin ko yan
Sige lang.
in 2 points. No? Number 1, paano ako napunta sa field ng coaching? Once in my life, many waits ago, naging coachy rin ako. Oo.
Okay.
So I received the gift of coaching
Mm-mm.
from my master coach. And since then, I was able to discern na ang powerful nito. Kasi sa akin din galing yung solusyon na ano pala, ang lakas ko pala. That transformation allowed me na, okay, gusto kong makatulong rin sa ibang tao. At tama si Coach Makay kanina kasi tuloy-tuloy ang pag-aaral
Oo,
namin.
oo.
And you know, Connie, even coaches, kami, professional coach na, we need our own coaches.
Yes.
Kino-coach din kami.
Oo, gabay talaga no?
Oo.
Tulungan sa buhay.
Mm.
Kaya lang, may formula eh. Minsan kasi parang nagdudunong-dunungan yung iba. Sorry to
Yeah.
for the word. Pero totoo yun, di ba? Kunyari,
Yeah.
kaibigan mo lang naman at lumapit sa'yo. Minsan, yung what is applicable for me may not be for that
Yes.
person.
Correct.
di ba?
Correct.
So, papaano kayo lumalagay sa posisyon
Mm-mm.
na hindi kayo nag-overstep para doon sa tao na tinutulungan nyo?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Unang-una, gusto namin ipaliwanag na sa coaching, hindi kami nagbibigay ng advice.
Hindi, okay.
So, walang advice. Malalaman mo yan na pagkausap mo na yung, kami as a coach, kausap ko yung, in a conversation. Pakikinggan muna namin siya, ano ba talaga yung gusto niya sa buhay. Kung minsan nga, hindi pa masabi kung ano yung gusto. Towards the end lang, di ba, Coach Tina? Towards the end lang malalaman.
Clarity eh.
Kasi wala talaga eh, gulo-gulo pa eh, may mga cobwebs. Ang tawag ko doon, cobwebs, natatanggalin mo. So, sa pakikinig ng mabuti, sa presence na hindi ka nagbabat in na, ay hindi, ganito gawin mo kasi nung ako yan, ganito yan. It's
Hindi
not
ganon.
That's a no-no in
That's a
coaching.
no-no.
And maybe we should adapt that also.
Yes.
We should listen more.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi sabi mo nga, Ma'am Tina, diba? Ang solusyon nasa atin din.
Yes.
Kung sino yung dumadaan sa problema, we just need guidance from
Yes.
professionals like you.
Oo.
Can you add more to that? Oo.
Because I've seen that, Kanye, coaching is really a partnership. It's a partnership between two co-equals. So pareho kayo. Hindi mataas si coach, mababa ka, hindi. Co-equals
Okay.
talaga. Si coach maaaring meron siyang disiplina from the context of alam niya yung proseso, kung paano tatakbo yung conversation. So process expert siya. But lagi nating alalahanin, ang content expert, yung coachee.
Mm.
Kasi it's about the person. It's about
galing
you.
nun.
Yun ang pinag-uusapan. And never will a professional coach
Mm.
gear outside of that. Parang ang discipline ng professional coaching, it's all about you.
Mm.
No? No sa amin yung mapupuntang it. Then the conversation became about us. Bawal yun, no?
Mm.
And we are being assessed by International Coaching Federation Global every time na year on year. So nagsasubmit kami ng mga sample coaching, actual coaching namin so that they can ensure na yung fino-follow namin na disiplina tungo talaga sa ikabubuti ng kausap namin.
Yes.
Maganda kasi yung nabanggit mo na tungo doon sa ikabubuti ng kino-coach ninyo.
Yes.
Pero ang tanong, kung halimbawa ako may pinagdadaanan, hindi pa clear kung anong gusto ko sa buhay. Napalabas nyo yun. Unti-unti.
Yeah.
Nasa sarili ko rin na-discover
Yes.
ko. Paano ba yun? Pwede bang qualified ba kaming lahat na maging coach din? Kapag nag-train ba kami? Halimbawa, you have this group, yung ICF, tama? Can you tell us more about that? Kasi probably, ang isang nakikita kong magandang nabanggit nyo kanina, yung tuloy-tuloy lang na pinagsasalitan nyo. Parang ginagawa nyo sa akin. So, ano po ang ICF? At paano kung halimbawa gusto ko na maging coach din, pwede ba kahit sino pumasok?
Yes, the
maging coach?
president.
Ayan, president,
ICFP.
ma'am.
Salamat. Ang Philippine chapter ng International Coaching Federation ay ang association ng mga professional coaches na galing sa International Coaching Federation Global.
Apo.
Ina-assess kami, kinikredential kami, at tunay na we help one another. It's a community of coaches. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, Con, coaches needs coaches as well, no? So meron kaming ganon, we help one another. Now, merong mga tao, and I came from that, no, na hindi pa ganong kaliwanag ang intindi ko sa coaching, but I received the blessing of being coached, an executive coach, a master coach, coached me when I was still an executive in a bigger organization. So ang nangyari ngayon, na-interest ako. Na-interest ako na it's a helping profession. So pumasok ako at nag-enroll ako sa ICF.
Ayun.
No? So we call ICF Global is called the gold standard of coaching. Kasi hindi madaling makredential sa kanila.
But tama ba, Makay? Parang sabi nila, di ba? Parang it will have to take time para doon siguro ma-realize ng isang tao na kaya na rin gumabay.
Okay.
Kasi you cannot give what you don't have.
Yes,
diba? Kung
okay.
hindi ka clear sa sarili, paano ko gagabay?
True. Kasi, alam mo, Connie, ang napansin ko, when I entered the industry or the profession, alam mo naman, nasa comms tayo, sa media. When I entered that profession, itong coaching, lahat ng coaches, iisa ang gusto, makatulong.
Ayan.
Makatulong mag-serve, no, sa mga taong nangangailangan at this moment, nangangailangan ng clarity. Kasi pag walang clarity, ang hirap.
Oo.
'Di ba? Ang hirap magdesisyon, ang hirap sinasabi nila, mag-move on ka na. Tapos na yung boyfriend mo na yan, iiwanan mo na. Mag-move on ka na.
Oo.
But there are so many nuts. Alam mo, pag inian mo, yung parang buhol-buhol sa loob ng isipan, kailangan yon, natatanggal yung buhol na yon. How do we do that? We ask the person what he wants. Tinatanong talaga namin, ano yung gusto mong mangyari sa'yo? And then, we help the person. Sabi nga kanina ni Coach Tina, thinking partner kasi kami. Okay? Hindi kayo bibigay ng advice, but we help the person find the solution in himself.
Okay.
Sa kanila mismo nang gagaling by asking powerful questions.
Ito, curious ako matagal na. Okay? Paano kung wala kayo sa mood?
Okay, good.
Mahirap.
Yes, very
Mahirap
nice.
yun kasi it's
Very
a
nice.
emotional thing, di ba? Sometimes it takes time to control yung emotions,
Okay.
di ba? Paano kung kayo mismo
Very
yung
good.
nagdadaanan?
Yeah,
Paano
very
nyo?
good.
So let
Coach
me
Tina.
take a crack of that kasi madalas yan, Connie, tinatanong sa amin. Number one, ang coaches po hindi perfect.
Yes.
Okay? But coaches do have the discipline. Your professional coaches, we do have the discipline na before we enter into a coaching conversation, no, we become mindful of ourselves. Kahit 15 at most 30 minutes, we become mindful, we become intentional because that conversation, yung conversation na yon, Connie, kahit na isang oras lamang yon para doon sa coachee or client, importante yun sa kanya.
Oo.
So, kami mismo, meron kaming discipline sa sarili namin na nagiging mindful kami, nagma-mindful moment kami para buo kami pagharap dun sa tao. We're not perfect. And ang coaches, your professional coaches, ang coming in assumption namin, the person is well and whole.
Yes.
Kaya, through conversation, kaya niyang tulungan ang sarili niya. On the assumption na gusto niyang tulungan ang
Yes.
sarili.
Maganda yon.
Yes.
Kasi hindi madali, 'di ba? Syempre na gumabay. Lalo na
Yeah.
siguro kung may mga incidents ba or experiences ba kayo na gusto nilang tulungan, kaya nga sila nagpapagabay sa inyo, pero parang may mga temper issues. Yung paglabas nila ng kanilang mga saloobin, medyo nakakatakot. May mga ganun ba? Meron ba kayo?
Meron kang ganon, Coach Makai?
Wala naman yung parang nakakatakot to or something. Wala namang ganun. Pero may mga moments na pag umiyak na, kasi talagang nilalabas yung kanilang emotion, you have to really check yourself as a coach.
Oo.
Kasi mahirap. Kaya yung discipline, you need to prepare yourself. So, inaalam mo rin naman kasi kung sino yung coach mo, sino itong client mo. At meron naman siya ibibigay sa yung, you come up with a contract or para magpapakilala siya, no? Kung ano yung concern niya. So, dun pa lang, meron ka ng idea, but, hindi yun yung ilalagay mo sa isip mo. Kasi dapat dun pa lang sa simula, each coaching session is different from the last, from the other
Unique.
coaches. Unique yan eh. So, you go with the flow. Okay, you go with the flow. And if you notice na parang maiiyak ka na, ako personally, what I do, I
Breathe.
take a deep breath.
Breathe.
Lalo na kung motherhood, sibling concerns, mga ganun na parang napagdaanan mo and all.
And I'd like to
Yes, go
amplify
ahead,
that,
go ahead.
Con, if possible, no? Ang discipline ng coaches, no, especially ICF coaches, we coach the person, not the problem.
Yes.
Okay? So, importante, ang kausap mo, ang kino-coach mo, we don't fall into that trap of nagpa-problem solve kami because that's a different discipline.
Okay.
So what happens now is we are very mindful and intentional na yung pinagdaraanan niya, yung present space niya, we hold the space for him eh. Kung saan yung readiness niya, doon namin siya imimit. And then tsaka kami pupunta together kung saan mas maliwanag sa
Oo.
kanya.
Ang ganda, kasi parang yung mga nababanggit nyo na discipline that you are, you've been trained for sa life coaching, actually, yan ang dapat meron tayong lahat. Equip natin ang sarili natin, like being mindful
Yes.
before talking to somebody.
Yes.
Na alam mo, di ba, na baka
Oo.
ma-challenge ka.
Yung iba sa
Hot
amin,
buttons.
Connie, iba sa amin, Connie, or most of us,
Oo.
talagang we're also into wellness.
Oo.
So, merong nagma-mindfulness, as I did. Meron namang nag-yoga. Okay? And then yung iba, sports.
Oo.
Pickleball, and, di ba? Yung
Oo.
mga ganon. So, all this, kumbaga, we walk our talk.
Yes,
Okay?
tama.
We need to walk our talk because we're also human. So we also need this time for ourselves to recharge and to also clear some cobwebs in us.
Oo.
So it helps.
Okay. So, kung gusto halimbawa sumama ng isang tao, like I said, di ba, sa ICF, nakita nila, meron din silang ganung, siguro goals in
Yeah,
life,
yeah.
di ba? Kasi sabi nyo nga, it's all about making sure that the person, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Make sure na malabas niya kung ano yung clarity na dapat meron siya sa
Yes.
buhay niya. Eh kung gusto niyang sumali sa ICF, gaano
Mm-mm.
katagal ang training for coaches?
Mm-mm. Depende kung ano ang gusto niyang marating na level ng tawag namin doon is accreditation. No? So, or credentialing.
Credentialing.
So, ang aming iminumungkahi, because coaching, you may be interested but you'd like, kailangan madidiscern mo eh.
Mm-mm.
Dapat madidiscern mo rin, tunay bang nandun ang puso ko?
Ang tulong.
Yes. So,
Yes.
meron kaming ino-offer na basic program. You already would learn the skill in coaching, no? Pero, after that, magko-crossroad ka. Gusto ko bang ganito? Happy ako, may skills na ako. Or gusto ko bang ituloy ito sa sinatawag na credentialing? And that's where we bring them to our different schools. We call them schools, training institutions, that are credentialed by
Okay.
International Coaching Federation. So, hindi lamang siya a-attend ng programa, magsasubmit siya ng mga actual recording
Recordings.
niya,
So it's not for
magkukuha siya
everyone.
It's
Oh,
not for
it's really
everyone.
not for
Not for
everyone.
Oo, kasi
Okay.
hindi siya ganun kadali.
Ayun,
Oo.
nasagot na rin. Kasi parang ang sa akin, baka kasi iniisip, di ba, na parang, kaya ko yan.
Nakikinig ako ng mga
Nakikinig ako.
problema ng
Oo,
ibang tao
oo.
or something.
Pero ang ganda, ang take ko lang dito yung being mindful, 'di ba? About yung sa sarili mo pa lang, 'di ba? You listen more than talk, 'di ba?
Yes.
You don't give advice when you're not asked,
Mm.
'di ba? Parang ganyan.
Yes.
And also you meet that person where that
Where
person
he
Oo.
is.
And
at.
Connie, if I may just add
Oo.
one, no? Because ito nakatulong talaga sa akin.
Mm-mm.
Nung nasa corporate pa ako, tsaka ngayon na nasa coaching and consulting world ako, coaching discipline, tinuruan niya ako na mawala ang judgment sa DNA ko.
Ayun,
That's
ang
very
maganda.
important.
Sobrang laking tulong
Oo.
talaga.
Very
That I
important.
can truly embrace a coachee kung nasaan siya, kung ano siya, without my judgment.
Again,
Sobra.
dapat naman lahat tayo, hindi
Walang
judgmental.
judgment. Yes.
'Di ba?
Exactly.
Ang ganda kasi I'm also, parang while listening to how you are as coaches, 'di ba? Nare-remind ako ng mga values na dapat sa totoo lang meron naman bawat isa
Yes,
sa atin,
yes.
'di ba? So do not judge, 'di ba? At of course ikaw ay ma-judge din.
Yeah, sabi ng Bible.
Oo, sabi ng Bible. Pero kaya natin pinag-uusapan 'to para po dun sa mga nanonood sa atin. Because sabi ko nga kanina, 'di ba, polycrisis, ang dami na. But may mga incidents na parang natatakot mag-open up,
Yes.
'di ba? So, nandito po ang mga coaches natin, professional coaches. Kung minsan kasi may stigma, pag pumunta ka sa isang psychiatrist,
yes.
psychologist, sabi nila sa life coach, ano sa tingin niyo, what can professional life coaches like you offer? 'Di ba? Kung ikukumpara siguro sa isang psychologist o psychiatrist, 'di ba? Kasi minsan may stigma nga.
Yeah.
Hindi ko naman
Yeah.
po inaano na huwag kayong pumunta sa
Oo,
psychologist
yeah.
o psychiatrist. Pero ito ho, mga coaches natin dito, baka makatulong din, di ba?
Yeah.
Para po sa kanilang mga gustong may mahingahan.
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
yeah. Sa amin kasi din, Connie, pag nagsimula na yung relationship, in a session, mapapansin mo kung sa palagay mo, hindi mo na kaya as a coach,
Yeah.
pwede mong i-offer sa kanya na would you want or gusto mo bang ma-refer
Oo.
sa isang psychiatrist or therapist?
Oo,
Ganyan.
yes, oo.
Kasi part yun ng aming ethics. Hindi kami pwedeng mag-cross dun sa hindi kami talaga prepared. 'Di ba? Meron talagang specialized field for
Yes, of
that,
course,
'di ba? So sinasabi namin 'yon. It's part of our ethics. So hanggang saan mo kaya. Pero pag napansin mo na hindi mo na 'yon, hindi 'yung domain ng life coaching or ng coaching for leadership, ganyan. I-offer mo 'yon. You will tell the coachee or the client that you can go to a certain specialized medical professional for things that you may be able to achieve whatever goal
Oo.
na gusto mo.
I can imagine because of the training, 'di ba? Sa
Yes.
pagiging coach, parang no-brainer. I think that will also make you become a better person.
Mm-mm.
So, sa inyo bang household,
Yes.
na-apply nyo itong mga discipline na ito as life
Mm-mm.
coaches?
Yes. Connie, tama ka dyan. And even my 3 children knows, no? And sometimes they would say, so I always have a coaching stance when I have conversation, even with my husband when I have conversation. And then my kids would tell me, Ma, I need a coach today. So they will discuss.
Oh,
Because they know the
ganda.
discipline now.
May
eh.
delineation as a mom.
Oo.
ganyan.
And then, Ma, I don't need you as a coach now. I just need to run. Okay, then that's all right, no? So even them, na-educate na sila kung ano yung value, ano yung role ng coaching. And amplify ko lang yun, Coach Makay, na tunay na we will respect and we will be honest with the coachee or client kung hindi coaching answerable
Oo.
yung
Yes.
kanyang concern,
Concern.
yung kanyang
Yeah.
situation, and we will refer them to the right discipline because there's a lot of
Yes.
helping profession. May
Yes.
counseling, di ba? May mga counselors, may therapists, as you
Therapies,
made mention, no? Almost always, ang nakita namin na confusion is kapag na-confuse ang coaching sa mentoring. Yan. Pagka-coaching, syempre, sabi ko na nga, co-equal tayo. No? Because the power, you are well and whole, the power is within you. Now, pagka-mentoring, and hindi kami nagme-mentor when we're wearing the coaching hat. Pagka-mentoring, mas mataas ang mentor kesa sa mentee. No, mas may alam, mas may kakayahan. Kaya nga tina-transfer niya.
Yes.
Tina-transfer niya. And now, I'm sure you know this, Con. Meron na tayong tinatawag na reverse mentoring. That Gen Zs can
Yeah.
actually mentor in terms of
Yes.
digital technology.
Yes.
The earlier generation.
Oo, kasi mas maalam na sila.
Exactly.
And we accept. Di ba?
True.
Acceptance. Oh,
Yes.
sige, sabihin na natin, punta tayo dun sa word na acceptance. Mas mahirap ba kapag ang kinu-coach mo ay good friend, a family member, sabihin na natin dati mong boss. Oh, di ba? May mga, kasi relational din di ba, ang pagko-coach. So, meron bang mga balakid?
As much as possible, kung ako, talagang, halimbawa kilala kita, I will refer you to a colleague.
Yes.
Because meron na akong bias.
Ah.
I will accept that to myself. May bias na ako eh. Alam ko na yung pinagdaanan mo, alam ko na yung before I was even a coach. So what I'll tell you to help you is to refer you to my colleagues who I think will be in a better position.
Fresh perspective.
Yes, to help you. Because I know marami kaming iba't ibang ang aming discipline na pinanggalingan at marami ring iba't ibang niche market na gustong tulungan. So if I know that you will be in a better partnership
Yes.
with this coach, I will refer you. Pero as much as possible, I don't. But, eto na, balik tayo dun sa family situation. Yung mga everyday usapan, kapareho nung kay Coach Tina, sasabihin ng anak mo, nagrarant lang. Nagrarant. Tinatanong ko siya, eto, you know the daughter.
Yes,
Tina- Tinatanong ko siya, sabi ko, okay, is this conversation for me, you as my coachee or me as your coach or your mom? Tinatanong ko siya, tapos mag-iisip siya, doon pa lang mag-iisip na siya, sabi niya, okay, sige ma, as a coach, ganyan. So, nung una, talagang mahirap, but you can just ask the questions and let the person say what he is, where he is at the moment, and be with the person.
Okay, I will put you on the spot. Paano pag-asawa? Parang, sir, dito yung Mister. So, paano? Kasi syempre, before you became coaches, di ba? Asawa mo na yan, hindi ba? Mas mahirap sigurong parang bigla kang, gusto mo bang maging coach ako ngayon? O maging asawa? Parang, I cannot imagine saying that to my husband if I'm a coach, di ba? So, how do you maintain yung natutunan ninyong discipline? At siguro parang implicitly apply it.
Oo, na hindi halata,
Hindi
di ba?
halata.
Let me answer that. Ako, ang pinaka biggest shift na nakita ko in carrying a conversation with my husband, I used to have default mode of tell.
Mhm.
When you're wear your coaching hat, you will have a default mode of ask.
Mm.
You ask to truly understand, not to be ready with another answer,
Correct.
rather than tell the person.
Okay.
Ang laking shift nun. Actually, maliit lang, but it has a big impact.
Impact. Oo.
Sa ako naman, lagi kong ina-advocate, pati sa bahay,
Mm-mm.
even pag kayo na lang dalawa, it's really to listen, to give yourself
Totoo yan.
without any ano mo muna yung judgment mo na kasi ikaw sinabi ko na yung mga ganun, di ba? Nasa iyo lang yon. Kung hindi ako coach, I would have said that.
Mm-mm.
But because I have been trained to how to really listen and listen to, especially to what is not being said. Ang dami nun. And then just listen, just give that space, just hold that space for your partner, your husband. Kasi yun, at that moment, yun ang kailangan.
Tama.
Kaya nga kailangan magsalita, magkwento, what's happening to them.
Siguro magandang manggaling na sa inyo. Mensahe, kung sa mga may pinagdadaanan, ano yung pwede mabanggit siguro ninyo in your respective expertise as ka professional coaches para sila, mas maintindihan nila yung mga steps that they would do in order for them to have a life or a professional
Sige.
executive coach.
Number one, it's so important that us coaches, kaya natin to have the humility and the vulnerability na kailangan natin ng tulong.
Yes.
Tayo muna yon that self-awareness or pagkakakilala natin sa sarili natin, napaka-importante na hawak natin yon. Because in so doing, mas makakatulong tayo sa iba. Mas makakatulong tayo, mas mauunawaan natin ng iba. We become self-aware, then we become others-aware. Yon. So yun ang nakakatulong sa akin. And if we can only do that in our simple lives, no?
Yes.
In fact, ang coaching, base sa huling pag-aaral, skill na siya ng leaders in an organ. Needed. So, yun sinasabi mo kanina, tama.
Needed.
Spot on ka.
Oo.
No? Needed skill
Needed
siya.
skill. Kailangan buo ka rin bago ka
Buo.
mag-lead.
Yes.
In general, with life, Makay, di ba?
Yun, sisigundahan ko yung
Oo.
sinabi ni Coach Tina. Tanggapin natin na hindi araw-araw o hindi lahat ng oras kaya mo yung gawin o yung role mo. Lahat tayo may iba't ibang role. So, hindi lahat ng panahon. So, may mga panahon talaga na lalabas yung vulnerability mo, your humanity. And what is part of humanity is to seek someone, to seek help from people if you cannot. Kasi kung minsan na nag-i-stop sa'yo from seeking help, from asking help is pride.
Yes, totoo.
What is stopping you kung minsan is ego. Minsan naman it's fear. So ang dami nun eh. But not everyone, not all of us can really understand that or can accept that. So it starts with that. The willingness to know that you're only human and you need help. And the assurance again from us coaches that you will not be judged. You will not be judged. You will be helped.
Yes.
By asking you the questions that will allow you to think so that there will be more clarity, mababalanse ka, and you can really move on with what it is that is keeping you stuck in a particular phase in your life.
Ganda nun. So, ang takeaway ko dito, I think, is that katulad ninyo, di ba, be self-aware,
Yeah.
magkaroon ka ng humility to know where you're at, Ask more instead of
Yes.
telling more. Listen more.
Yes.
And siguro yung isa ko rin nakita doon, yung accountability
Yes.
for your own mistakes that you want to improve so that you can transform. Diba?
Ganda.
Like, yung mga butterflies, diba? Diba? Nagkakaroon sila ng, nagmumorph sila into something and
Different.
different and beautiful.
Mm-mm.
So, ayan. Kung kayo ho ay may mga pinagdadaanan, at lahat naman tayo, at one point in our lives, di ba, may pagdadaanan tayo, huwag lang natin tambayan. Sabi nga nila. Pero kung talagang mabigat na ho, may mga taong po pwedeng tumulong sa atin, like our professional coaches. Ayan.
Connie,
Yes.
with your indulgence,
Yes.
can we invite
Yes, of course. Go ahead.
President Sina?
Oh, yeah. Naaari po namin kayo invite, or I hope we can invite you to join us on May 13 at SMX Aura. Ito po ay isang conference from 8 to 6, no?
Yes.
8 to 6. Ang tawag po namin ay Sustainable Coaching Nations. So, amin pong pag-uusapan, paano pa ba tayo makakatulong base sa ating kakayahan, no? We will be with other advocacy
Leaders.
groups and other
Ganda.
leaders from the Philippines. And kung kayo po ay mag-enroll doon, you will also access, meron din po kaming virtual, this is now regional speakers naman po,
Asia
from,
Pacific.
Asia
Yes.
Pacific, from May 11 to
15.
15.
Ayan.
Yeah, so,
Libre yun.
Oh, libre,
Libre yun.
yun. Thank you so very much.
Oo. And
Yes.
thank you, Connie, because this program or this advocacy that you have, this is really for wellness, and
Yes.
and we are so happy that forming part of this. Maraming
Opo,
salamat.
din po.
Yung holistic development, not only in terms of physical health, Coach
yes, of
Makay,
course.
mental health, spiritual health,
Mm.
emotional health, napaka-importante, especially now sa digital world.
Oo.
Sobra. And the Gen Zs of this world, sobra. Research-based po. Kailangan po ng wellness.
Ayan. Kailangan talaga ng tamang gabay.
Mm-mm.
Hindi tayo lalong maliligaw. Sabi nga nila. Ayan. Thank you so very much
Thank you.
sa ating mga professional coaches. Of course, si Coach Tina Sioson at Coach Makay Quadra. Tandaan, kung dumarating ho yung panahon, sabi ko nga na meron tayong iniindang mabigat sa ating isipan at kalooban, merong solusyon yan. Humanap at makipag-usap po sa mga ICF professional coaches at bibigyan po nila kayo ng espasyo at oras upang makipag-usap sa inyo. Pakinggan kayo ng walang judgment, makatulong sa inyong well-being. Yun naman ang kanilang talagang goal, syempre, and purpose. Para po sa iba pang impormasyong pangkalusugan, tumutok lamang po kayo rito sa Happy and Healthy with Connie, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Happy and Healthy YouTube channel. And always remember, stay happy and healthy. God bless us all. Ingat po kayo.
Let's all be happy